Alright, here we have it, the much awaited, the much loved Nokia 3310. Okay, my first thoughts on looking at the phone is that it doesn't look anything like the old Nokia 3310 that I remembered. It's a lot less chunky, as you would expect. Phones have gotten a lot thinner since back in that day. And yeah, it looks like, so the colors are obviously quite bright and nice. The one I have is a nice yellow. You know, there are quite a few other colors as well. There's this black, you have this reddish kind of a thing, you have a grey, and like I said, we have a yellow. Yeah, there's no specifications to talk about that you guys love to talk about here. Obviously, I think it is what, a 2.4 megapixel camera if I'm not wrong. And yeah, you have a pretty standard software, though it has changed quite a bit as you from the previous Nokia 3310 that you would remember. Yeah, it does look like a toy phone almost, in fact, like somebody is saying in the comments. Your standard audio jack, welcome back 3310 Elite. You have the main button here, you have the cancel button. This is the cancel button, this is the dial button. So yeah, it's been quite a while since we handled a feature phone, so please excuse us if we struggle a bit. And here is the iconic snake, or is it? No, what is this? This doesn't look like anything like the snake that I remember, but let's see. Let's try and play this game, see if I can figure it out. It's great to struggle in front of the entire world. Nothing embarrassing about it at all. Battery life, the battery rating, they've not said. The battery life is what, 22 hours talk time, if I remember correctly. 30 days of standby time. No SIM card. I'm instinctively reaching for the touch screen because I'm so used to that, as we all are nowadays. But yeah, there's no touch screen here. What else do we have? Yeah, I don't think there's, I don't know. Contacts, photos, call log. Cute is, it definitely is cute. It has an internet, which is interesting. I'm told a lot. There's some other, quite a few feature phones that obviously do have this feature as well, so there's nothing new in that sense about it. Camera, let's take a look. My hand was covering the camera and I was wondering what's happening. So here you have a picture of the 3310 being taken on a 3310 which is being taken on another phone. So yeah, that's about as meta as smartphones can get. Price is 49 euros, guys, which is about 3,500 in Indian rupees, but again, that doesn't include taxes, so we don't know what will be the exact landing price in India. I would love to drop it, but yeah, I think the people who are watching over me will get pretty upset if I drop it, even though we know that nothing will happen to this phone. There is nothing new about it, guys. Yeah, somebody's asking what's new about it. Nothing new as such, but it's the classic reimagined. Though honestly, if you showed me this phone and asked me, it doesn't look anything like a Nokia 3310. So that's a little bit of a disappointment if you were looking for something that looked just like that phone. But yeah, guys, nothing will happen to it. I can't. I would love to drop it. Everybody's asking me to drop the phone. I would love to drop it, but I don't think people will be very happy with that idea. So yeah, here is the 3310. It's pretty standard feature phone. Yes, a lot of people's first phone price, like I said, it was 49 euros in its price was 49 euros, which is about 3,500 in India, but the landing price would of course be very different depending upon duties, etc. And another look at the camera. Yeah, as you can see, the whole process is very reminiscent of saving and clicking a picture, and it's quite slow to click a picture, which is again to be expected. This is not really a power pack phone. It's a 2 megapixel camera, and yeah, Yes, we know a lot of people are planning to buy this. Again, the greater thing, of course, is the battery life. 22 hours of talk time, 30 days of standby time. So it's a pretty good. Yeah, I mean, whether you want a feature phone, you should buy a feature phone. Hey, and it looks like a standard micro USB charging port. So you that iconic that if you have that Nokia charger lying around, you don't need that. That chota pin, bada pin. Remember those pins, guys? Yeah, you don't need those. Standard micro USB will work. I would love to do a hammer test on this one. Let me buy a few phones. I will do a hammer test for sure. Price again, guys, is 49 euros, 3,500 in India. Converted, we don't know what will be the actual landing price. And this should also come, I believe, in Q2. So that's anywhere between April and June this year. Any other questions, guys? So if you are watching this, do check out our other videos. We did see the Nokia 5 before this and the Nokia 3 before that. The Nokia 3 is the most affordable smartphone that Nokia announced today. And the Nokia 5 is a little bit more expensive in the 15,000 price bracket. So yeah, do check out all our videos and stay tuned for MWC coverage all this week from Barcelona or right here on Gadgets 360. Thanks for tuning in, guys.